could find what's up. I can show you what you want to see and solve the problems easily. I can be your luck. Exact area can be found as long as you have some bounds. You have some bounds. Without using sums, the most you have to do is integrate within the bounds and you'll be great. Please don't be a bum. It's the space between the curve and ground, and A and B will be your bounds. Is found in the bounds area, is found in the bounds when it's around. In the bounds area is found. How to use these bounds? Use the fundamental theorem now with ease and you'll find you have them down. First you integrate, then it's FA minus FLD, and that's the area, so you see. Watch your bounds. Don't get drowned. Check your bounds. Hold your ground. Stay in bounds. Integration rocks. Just increase the exponent by 1, divide by that and you'll be done. How to find the bounds? Simply use your TI-89, F2 then 1 and then it's fine. And please don't forget, if you have two very different curves, take top from bottom and keep your nerves. But we're not done yet. Bounds are used for more than 2D shapes, but we're out of words, so just you wait. Don't get drowned.